Hello guys, welcome back to another episode on our channel. It's Saturday here in Samoa, so we're trying to prep some taro to sell to families, friends, local markets, and got quite a lot to go through, so I'm gonna quickly make them into bundles and then see how much we can get. So far the taros are looking. Look at the size of this bad boy. Sheesh. So yeah, hope you enjoyed today's content, and yeah, we'll see you in a bit. So this is how we make the bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then give them some medium ones, small ones, 6, 7, and yeah, that's right, 8. So that right there is 20 Western Samoan tala, 20 Samoan tala. That's not bad for 20 bucks. If I'm feeling good, probably throw in another one. Yeah. $18. It's about $180 just for Saturday. So yeah, looking good. So taros all sorted now. Gonna get them. All of these are already for people who have ordered them, so that way it saves us time, because we initially planned to sell to the market, but we don't have the time to sit at the market, so plus it's already packed at the market. So most of these people who have already paid or has asked for taro, and yeah, so we're gonna deliver them today. We've got one shop that ordered 5, and then the other 4 are for some of our friends and families who have also asked for some taro. So we'll get them packed up and ready, and yeah, hopefully we'll get some content on our delivery today. Okay, so before we take the taro, we're just on our way now to drop off auntie and uncle to the airport, catch their flight. So that is what you call tamu, or in funny terms, taro spreader. It's another staple crop here in Samoa. It's a very nice plantation. Really like it. Hopefully we get some the planting material for tamu in the near future. Anyway, we're on our way to the airport now. We're just here at North so Uncle Roy could say goodbye to his mom and siblings. And then we're going to head on to the airport now. Sitting now and ready for the road. It's 4:45, so gotta hurry up. Just finished dropping off another 5-order taro for one of the shops here in Samoa at Himitsu. So what's up guys, back home now. Sorry I couldn't get any footage of the taro that we were selling. Couldn't drive and record at the same time, especially with the kids in the car. So yeah, it was sold everything and made about 180 bucks. So it's going into the savings, and yeah, it's done for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Me and Watty just chilling now. What?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Samoa.
We're signing off. We're gonna sign off now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, that's it from us. See you guys on the next episode.